Create Art. Today I wanted to talk to you about our new youth art t-shirt designs that we have. We have t-shirts in 4 different colors. We have blue, red, yellow, and black. And we also have 4 different designs. We have the I Heart Art, I'm Art Smart, I'm an Artist, and finally Art is My World. Now, each t-shirt and color is available in youth large, youth medium, youth small, and youth extra small. These are Hanes Youth Tagless Comfort Soft t-shirts. They are 100% pre-shrunk cotton, and they're nice and thick. You can tell even on the lighter colors, it's not going to have any see-through here. They're really good, thick quality t-shirts. The yellow shirt and the blue shirts come with red screen printing. The black shirts and the red shirts come with yellow screen printing. So again, you can get, you can get the I'm Art Smart in red and yellow, or you could get it in black and yellow. Each design is available in all sizes and colors. If you have any questions, just send us an email at info@icreateartkit.com.